Hi, my dear folks. I'm glad to give you all an idea that would help you multiply your success. You can even call that to be your success multiplier or a business getter. And that would also help you live a more fulfilling life, to be an irresistible, to be a strong person in your business. So all of you are quite excited, enthusiastic to learn what is that new idea all about. Here we go. The topic for this week is all about enthusiasm. I'm more enthusiastic today to discuss about this topic with you all. So I'd always seen charismatic people who are always enthusiastic about their business, about their goals, about their actions. And you know something, the word enthusiasm comes from two Greek words, the God within, and it comes from deep within ourselves. I had also seen employees who are enthusiastic about themselves and their actions. They undertake their work with the assurance of success. And employees who undertake their work with that assurance of success, they go with that energy, they go with that determination, they go with that enthusiasm, and they give confidence to their employees that the task or the work they undertake will not only be done, but that it will also be very well done. And that is assurance they give not just to their employees but to their co-employees as well, thereby motivating everybody around them. So that is the power of this enthusiasm, and it multiplies our abilities, it multiplies our working capabilities. And not just that, so that is the reason why I always say one must always be enthusiastic about themselves, because more often the work we do may not be exciting, may not even be interesting. Most of us may feel like it is dull, it is boring, and it is fatiguing. But that is the situation in which you must try doing something in your way that would arise because of that enthusiasm within you. If plan A or B doesn't work, you just look at what next, what next, what next. What are the new thoughts coming in your mind? Your mind must always be active in terms of taking new initiatives that would help you get that work done faster, or even more better, that would help you set qualitative, quantitative goals and stretch beyond others' expectations. So that motivation thought should always be running in your mind, and for which enthusiasm is a vital ingredient. I would always say enthusiasm is a secret ingredient of success, and now that is revealed to all of you. So it is a kind of open secret. So enthusiasm is a key ingredient to success. And people who are enthusiastic, when I look at an individual who is enthusiastic, I can just visualize it through the flash of their eyes, in the verve of their action, and also in their vibrant personality, in the alert. So that is the power of this enthusiasm. It is always a business getter. It is always a business getter. I reiterate this statement. And it also makes a huge difference in your attitude toward other people, and also other people attitude towards you. And it is not just that, it can also make a difference in making you understand if you are going to be an average Joe or a Jane or a charismatic person in your business life. And it all depends on the level of enthusiasm that you maintain. Your level of success will also be measured. So I would definitely wish each and every one of you who is watching this video to focus, to improve the dynamics of their personality, their attitude, their business with that enthusiasm. And that enthusiasm, that level of energy will definitely give you a lot of new ideas, new thoughts, new initiatives, and that will definitely help you all succeed. So let us go ahead with that power of enthusiasm. Thank you.